Welcome back to my Chanel Moto Spectrum. This is a Kenworth W900, a truck known for its muscle, its presence, and its reputation in the world of heavy-duty hauling. But someone took that platform and transformed it into something truly extraordinary, a $1 million motorhome. This isn't a factory RV or a basic custom camper. This is a handcrafted, meticulously designed luxury motor coach, built from the ground up on the bones of a legendary big rig. And today, we're diving into every single detail, from the engine to the tech, from the exterior finish to the interior layout. You'll see why this build has turned heads everywhere it goes, and why it's worth every penny of that seven-figure price tag. Before we get into the crazy features, let's talk about the truck itself. The Kenworth W900 has been a staple in the trucking world for over 60 years. Known for its long-nosed design, rugged durability, and timeless American style, it's one of the most recognizable semi-trucks on the road. It was built for long hauls, serious power, and total reliability, but never for luxury living. That's what makes this build so incredible. From the outside, it still holds on to that classic W900 silhouette, but look a little closer and you start to see the transformation. The entire chassis has been stretched to accommodate a custom-built coach body that flows seamlessly from the back of the cab. It's not just an add-on, it's a completely new structure designed to blend rugged transport with high-end elegance. The paint job alone is worth a second look. A metallic two-tone finish with a pearl flake effect that shimmers under sunlight. Custom pinstriping and a full-body clear coat make the whole thing pop. The chrome work is next level. Grille, bumper, exhaust stacks, air intakes, tanks, even the trim, all polished to a mirror finish. LED lights run along the underbody and sides, giving this rig a glowing presence at night. And yes, this truck has slide-outs. With the push of a button, the living space expands outward on both sides, giving you nearly double the interior space when parked. It's the kind of feature you'd expect on a high-end tour bus or mega RV, not on a semi-truck. Storage compartments are integrated into the coach body, offering plenty of space for tools, hoses, camping gear, and anything else you'd need on the road. On the back, there's a full hydraulic motorcycle lift. Because when your house is a truck, you might as well bring your toys with you. But the real jaw-dropper is when you step inside. The moment the door swings open, you're greeted with an interior that feels more like a five-star hotel suite than anything you'd expect behind the wheel of a Kenworth. The floors are real hardwood, stained and sealed. The lighting is warm, soft, and layered throughout the ceiling, under cabinets, and along the baseboards. Every corner of this space was designed for comfort. The living room features a full leather sectional with power recliners, built-in massage, and heated seats. There's a 55-inch 4K smart TV mounted on a swivel arm, paired with a high-end surround sound system.